Hello children, good morning. Hope you have read the passage and marked all the keywords. Now look at the exercises. The first question is, where is the cricket believed to have started? So here are the words like where, cricket, believed and started. So when you were reading the passage, you must have found these words in the passage as well. By picking up the highlighted words, we can write our answer in this way. Look at the answer. It is believed that the cricket started in the southeast England. Okay? Read the next question. Now the next question is based on the fill in the blanks. Complete the sentence with the correct option. Now read the sentence carefully. It is believed that the game was invented by the dash and dash of the farming families of southeast England. So now you have to identify who invented the game. So here are the options: sons and daughters and fathers and mothers. Who have invented? Yes, sons and daughters. As we have marked here in the comprehension, sons and daughters. We have marked here in this line, it is believed that the game was invented by the sons and daughters. Let's see the third question. Now the third question is based on true and false. Now you have to tell the given statement is true or false. They would play in the golf course. For finding the answer, we will go to the passage again and find this line. They would play in grass, clearing or in areas grazed by sheep. But what is written here in the true false? They would play in the golf course. So it is true or false? It is false, because they were playing in the area which was grazed by the sheep. Let's see the fourth question. Find a word from the passage which means the same as. Now children, in this exercise, what you have to do? You have to find the vocab word. And for finding any kind of vocabulary word, you should know the meaning of that word first. If you don't know the meaning of these words, then you will not able to find the meaning of these words in the paragraph. So before finding the word, you should know the meaning of the words which is given here. So here are two words given in front of you. The first is create and the second is famous. Create means to create something or to invent something, and famous means liked by many people or popular. So these kind of words, both of the words which are given here, have you seen something related to these words in the passage? Let's read the passage again. As I have already underlined the word here in the first line of the second paragraph, it is believed that the game was invented by the sons and daughters of the farming families of southeast England. So the word invented, created means invented. Understood? In the same way, the second word famous. So here we have read the word popular. Cricket is one of the most popular sports of the world and is played and watched by millions. So the related word is popular. The word famous, which is related to popular. And here you can see I have also given you the paragraph number, so you can find the words easily. Let's see the fifth question. What was the game called in the year 1598? Children, as I have told you earlier, few of the question you will get as one word type of question. In these kind of questions, you only have to write one word answer. Okay? As you can see here, we have already marked the keyword cricket. Okay? Let's read this line again. The earliest written reference to the game was in 1598, where it was called cricket. So the answer will be cricket. In the year 1598, the name of this game was cricket. Afterwards, we have given the name cricket. Okay? Now look at the last question. Give a suitable title for the passage. So, as you have read the passage, it is all about cricket only, and how it was invented and where it was invented. Everything in the passage is related to the cricket only. So here we have given the title for our passage, and that is Invention of Cricket. Got it? This is all about the comprehension.